Oh, good God, buddy. Oh, good God. Okay, hold on. Okay, okay, shit.
You finna shoot the AR?
Yeah, I hold this one.
I might pull up with your boo. Then hit a 5-star restaurant, order me and her some soup. No matter how thick the bitch is, I won't put it before my loot. I'm fresh as fuck, fresh out for high speed chase like polo pool. You will never catch me telling another nigga what I won't do. I be
going on YouTube, I got a surprise for y'all today. Me and a couple of guys, we finna get ready to go to the gun range and let y'all see what's going on, man. Just a little daily vlog. We will be vlogging, picking up the Mustang Monday. We're going to pick up the Mustang Monday. I'm gonna make sure I come back to y'all with that video. But right now, I'm on the way to the gun range for to meet the guys. I'm gonna hit y'all to the gun range. Yeah, we finna get busy in here.
Where they go was so damn loud. I said, why the fuck is it so loud? My earphones.
Yeah. What you doing, Bryce?
See what's going on, man. Got here, man. Another day, another dollar. Make a fat girl go holler.
You know what I'm saying? This shit finna get bad. Where he at? Take it off. That shit hurt your head? It hurt your finger?
Motherfucker wouldn't go in there.
It hurt your finger? Appreciate it. They're giving us some iPro. Oh, these iPro. Dang.
Hey, I'm finna dump the rest of these things. Dump the 30.
Hey, get you some iPro. You got some iPro? Fat glass said.
Hey, nice shoes, man.
I got some iPro.
Mine ain't cool, gang.
Hey, I like those too. I like that
Tight
gold
shit.
though.
That shit on.
Man.
Hey,
Hold
he
on.
crazy as hell.
He crazy. Hold on, right? I ain't ready yet. Hold on. Damn. Hey, ready? Come on.
Let me dump the green one again, man.
That motherfucker right there. That motherfucker dangerous. They got to wait for that. Now y'all see the setup, man. 350 sound. You got the Glock 23 Gen 4, Glock 19 Gen 5, AR 5.56 223, another AR 5.56. Another more bit. My homeboy wanna shoot the 357. 5.56. Yeah. Why? You know that? And let him shoot. Yeah. I ain't gonna lie. You might wanna hold that bitch with 2.
Nah, he from the country. He got it. He from the country.
Got it. And they shoot.
Put the hammer back.
Now you gotta pull that motherfucker. You gotta pull the trigger.
How you get it that small?
6.
I need to see.
That motherfucker bite.
That motherfucker like that.
That shit bite, ain't it?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
That motherfucker bite. Yeah.
How you feel?
You shot it?
That motherfucker bite.
Feel that motherfucker?
Got me. Yeah.
Oh.
Twin, hey. Twin.
Hey, you got me still on there?
Yeah.
See the other one.
though.
That nigga flipped it.
He just flipped that bitch.
I think that's what that 350 sound, man.
Let me see that one. See that motherfucker.
Hey, bring that motherfucker
Still on there?
Yeah,
Hey, zoom in.
I am.
Zoom down on target.
I already got it.
Good. Start 19, motherfucker. My bullets fall. 23 motherfuckers.
Oh, yeah.
Damn, twin.
Bring
Woo!
that motherfucker in.
Hey.
You ain't even finished that hill bounce.
I thought I did.
So, make sure it's empty, bro.
Look at this. Why don't you keep doing it? Wait, racking it back.
I am racking it back.
Probably been clean for a minute.
Good. I think I'll put that. He jumped up. Hey, grab
Is that good again?
Give me that.
That's how Nico shit. Look at Nico. Hey, look how Nico shit.
Yeah.
I like the bad.
How you shoot, Nico?
Ooh, why do I have to stay like that?
That nigga dead. That nigga dead. I tell you that.
He did again.
Hey, let me see that clip right there.
Hey, right here.
Oh, you got it. Here, Bryce. Here, Bryce.
That's yours.
Better give me shoe, y'all see?
That's nice. Back you got it.
Yeah.
Cool, man. Hey, I ain't shooting these guys. You get on that side, go right there. Yeah. I think right shot. I'm gonna fill out game? Ready?
Hey, this shit like that, though.
Oh. Let me. Oh. Oh, goddamn, buddy. Oh, God.
Actually, shit, too. Came on there. You get him on there, get him from here. Back here.
Block, buddy. Block, buddy.
That motherfucker, yo. Big wall.
Where the ear?
You in there watching y'all on the camera.
Oh, good God, buddy. Oh, good God, buddy.
I'm gonna put this up. No more rapid fire. 1 shot per second. Pull the trigger.
like you. He was just scared.
This shit ain't getting no back up next year.
It's only 6.
This shit ain't getting.
Trying to take it. Yeah. Push this. Push it up. Not this. Push this. Wait, hold on. Shoot the trigger one time. You gotta. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Push it up. Like this. Like this right here. Look.
Oh shit.
Push the button at the top.
Right here.
At the top of the thing. At the top. Okay.
Alright.
Push that bitch in. Where you go? Scary.
Nigga, it didn't shoot.
No, the camera was bad. You gotta pull the trigger all the way back.
I ain't know.
It's a.
I didn't know.
What is that? Yeah. That bitch didn't fit on my head.
That motherfucker blocking.
Oh, fool. I had to keep it gripping that bitch. Huh? Come on over here. That's a grown man. Come on to Grave Digger Mountain. That motherfucker. Party. Great. Oh, you see the green one? Shut the light. No, I want to see it. Oh. His shit barking too, though. Oh, God. His shit barking too. Yeah, his shit. He got the long barrel, though.
Alright. Hey, fool, you ain't hit the target not one time.
Well, I don't want to shoot that bitch no more. What the fuck? My damn hand hurt.
It's a grown man. It's a grown man.
Handle that bitch, gang.
Huh?
Can't handle that motherfucker.
Grown man doing it. Look, you see? You see? Let me see.
Pass it off.
My shit right here.
You just told me I'm not getting off the whole 30. That shit loud. I'm one shot per second, ain't you? Got my right there. Knees shaking. Breathe is hot as shit.
Knocking shit off the roof. That motherfucker.
And then we finna head to Twin Peaks. Just left the gun range, man. That's coming. Y'all know how they get. Shit, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. I'm bringing this shit to y'all as often as I can, which is really every week. I'm gonna try to do two videos a week. We're gonna see how that go. Yeah, we'll get back with y'all, man. We're gonna go to the goddamn Twin Peaks, man. You know, got them things out here, man. Yeah. Get back with y'all, man.
Oh my God, buddy. That's a good.
They want to see you bite that burger real quick. They want to see you bite that bitch, see if it's good. That motherfucker busting. You see what he down there. He looking too serious. Look at him, he looking serious and shit. But he didn't look at him. Why he looking so serious? Good, fool.
Man, that shit was straight.
That shit was good.
0 out of 10.
That shit was good, Rock. Hey, Nico. That shit was good.
I ain't got no plate.
That motherfucker deep.
Eat that motherfucker for a dude.
Oh, what is that?
For a dub. Eat it for a dub.
Eat the pepper right now.
You gotta put the whole thing in your mouth.
Eat the pepper for a dub. Hey, you gotta get a good bite though.
A good bite?
A good bite.
But dub, where the dub at?
Who said that?
He said that.
Who said about a dub?
He said one good bite though.
Like a nah, nigga, like at least about right here.
I said the whole thing. Your mouth big enough.
Oh,
Look right here. These guys go halfway. Halfway right here.
yeah.
Yeah, go ahead. So put the dog right here.
You gotta eat it though, like you gotta swallow it.
I need to make it good.
Huh?
I give it that. I was gonna bite it.
Like he can't just bite it and then spit it out. You gotta eat it.
You gotta. I am. Price gon' swallow.
Man, go in and bite it.
Oh, man,
that bitch hot.
where his hand at?
Go ahead, big dog.
You got it all right? Hey, Nico, you got it. Right up.
You ain't gonna do it for the dub. You gotta eat the whole thing for 40 though.
No food.
For 40?
Look at this. This is all. Is this hot? Is this hot?
No, but you can't add. You can't add. I have different taste buds in here. So like Asian hot for me is probably like too hot for you. Like, I don't eat that shit. That's all I'm saying.
Go on and eat it one time.
That's mine. I tried to tell you that. I can't eat the whole thing, dude. Y'all got some ice cream? Milk? Something?
Man, eat the thing.
Oh, yeah. Swallow it. Swallow it. Rice whole swallow. What the fuck? Nope. Yeah, 40 for you.
That's very fast. It's like
He said he'll take a bite.
Hey, you ain't man enough, gang.
young anyway. So
You ain't man enough.
She gave you 22. You was
Wait, how old you is? 28?
28? I'm 28. All to be 28.
Let's say to the vlog.
what's up?
Let's say to the vlog. Yeah. What's
What's your
up?
vlog name?
Huh? You gonna look me up on YouTube. My name is Roy Rich.
Who?
Roy Rich.
Royal Rich.
Y'all wanna get in the vlog? Who? Hey, don't listen to him.
Off-brand consonant.
Say that one more time.
You the off-brand consonant.
Who he is then?
What did he say?
He said you a random person. How
You look like Brownie.
I know the brother.
The BX. The BX. Where you know him from?
Yeah.
Yeah, but he be at the BX.
I be on the game, you know what?
Forget. Alright, man. Alright.
I was trying to go off. I was trying to sit and wait. Shit, I was ready to go
Switched up
home.
on it like that?
Bye, y'all.
Why you switch up on him like that, twin? Who? What you want to say to the vlog?
I'm just playing. What y'all vlogging for? Like,
We do YouTube. Yeah, we do YouTube.
You might as well do on the vlog, though.
Subscribe to it.
You said, what that supposed to mean?
how old are you?
I'm 21.
I got money. Oh, man.
Where I stay, Tennessee?
Where you stay at? Where?
Here, you wait for you to get off work. Oh, okay.
Nico, you are a hell gang.
What's up, gang? Hey, what's up, gang?
What's up, gang?
Yes, sir.
Who you who for?
Don't drink
Who you who for?
Let's go, niggas.
Y'all trash.
Y'all can't beat me. The best. He's better than y'all.
Nah, I'm taking Lil Bro. I'm taking Lil Bro right here. I'm taking him right here. I'm taking him.
the best one I see.
I'm taking him right here.
Shooting guard. I'm shooting guard. I'm shooting guard. One guard. He's a shooting guard.
Break your ass.
I can see him play, bro. Have you seen him play? He cold. Bro, you know who Mark Thomas is? Thomas. You know who Mark Thomas is?
Yeah, I dunk on you.
Do you know who I am?
I dunk on you. I dunk on you.
What's your YouTube name again?
Royal Rich. I dunk.
You said Royal, right?
Yeah.
Royal, okay.
I dunk
You
on you.
said Rich.
He look like Lonzo.
He look like Bronny James.
He look like Brandon.
Yeah, he look like Bronny.
Who he look like?
That nigga like Klay Thompson.
He look like Jason Tatum. Jason Tatum.
Who he look like right here?
He look like nobody.
Nobody, nigga.
He himself. He himself.
Exactly.
He can't lie.
What y'all finna do?
Finna go back. Finna go to the Heritage and Ringo again.
We got the cars out there. Yeah. About 5. These niggas store. Shit, hey YouTube, I'm finna take another break. I gotta charge my camera. I'm gonna be back probably the next 2-3 hours because we supposed to be having a little performance in the next couple hours, so I'll definitely be back. So y'all just give me a little minute, I'll be back.
Because I had my bro, told him crack, I don't know why he did.